Assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you how to download the Zoom app for your mobile system. So let me go with. We will be going to the Play Store. Here we will be typing here Zoom app. Just go with the Zoom app. Here you will be going to installation. Just go with the installation part. See, it will be telling that it is pending or anything more software. Now it is taking the software. It will take several minutes, but it will be downloaded to your mobile. Now there is the 3% left, and then after loading this Zoom app, the installation process will be showing you up. Done. Now this screen will be available here. If you are having a scanner in your mobile, it will. Now what we have to do, we have to go with the open button. Your open button is there. Just click on the open button. This is Zoom app. And now here, if you are joining it or joining a mic, you can go with this join a meeting, and your meeting ID it will be asking you, and then the password and other things. Okay. And one another part is that this is how your Zoom app will be working. Meeting ID you will be putting, and then your whether you are Redmi or whatever, then this ID will be there, your name and other things. Now, if in certain part teachers are providing you with the link, this is the link which will be provided. You just click on this link. Also, you will directly go on into the Zoom app. So there is no need that you have to go with the meeting ID or password. So student, hope you understand how we will be working with the Zoom app and how the Zoom. Just I'm clicking here. See, just I'm clicking here. I putting here this Zoom condition comes, and you are preparing a meeting. Here I will be asking sign in, waiting for the host to start it, and then you will be sign in. Okay, this is how the Zoom app will be working. Hope you understand. This is how the, and this is how if you will leave there, leave meeting will be done. This is the steps to install the Zoom app and to work on it. Okay, jazakallah khair.